Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Homer Simpson. I'm going to draw the Tighty Whities Homer Simpson skin from Fortnite. It's Homer Simpson in his underwear. I'm going to do a full body shot of Homer. And what I'm going to do is start off with his nose, go into the centre here, just go up a bit, leave enough room for the top of his head. And I'm going to draw a nice curve for his nose. So just around this way here. So grab my pen. Nice little curve there for his nose, okay? Next up, got his two eyes. So first of all, I'm gonna draw this eye on the right. I'm gonna go behind the nose area around this way here. So a nice big circle. So take your time. Nice curve around there like that. And on this side, we do it again. I'm going to start from the left of the centre of the nose, about here. Just draw a nice curve of an eye. We'll meet back up with this point here. Cool, okay, got those two circles in. Let's just pop his pupils in. So one over this way, have him looking over to the right hand side, so maybe one over here and one over here. Okay, next up, let's do the top of his head. So Homer's got a little bit of a brow just curve here just by this eye. So this eye kind of pops out, doesn't it? And then we've kind of got just a little bit of a brow popping up here. What we can do then is continue upwards, draw his bald head. So I'm going to come upwards here, curve the pen around about there, and continue that line. Bring it down nice and straight by that eye, like that. And then we can just draw a little curve over. He's got those little pockets of hair on the top of his head, so just draw a couple of little lines over like that. Next up, I'm going to draw a little ear, so it's like a little C mark over this way. So let's grab the pen, little curve like that, and then just in there, it's almost like a little curved T in the middle of his ear. So just going to draw a little line there, down like that, for the inside of his ear. Then what I'll do is just continue this neck area. So I'm going to go, sort of continue this line coming down in here. Nice line down there. And then we've got that famous Homer mouth area. So that's a big old wide kind of oval shape. I'm going to go from the bottom of that nose, I'm going to come out, I'm going to draw, just dip upwards a little bit here, curve around this way, right up to the edge there, back around where his jaw is there, right out, and then join up back up to that nose area there. Cool. Then just a little line where his cheek is, so between the jaw, mouth and the eye, just like that, and then just a hint of another little ear in there. And then he's looking quite kind of inquisitive, so just gonna draw a little pensive mouth across him there. Just down here is the rest of his neck, so just about this point, just there, that's all I need to do. Okay, now we can look at the shoulders and the body. So first of all, I'm gonna just swing out those curves of the arms. So he's giving his butt a scratch over this way. So I'm gonna come over this way to draw out. I'm gonna go to a shoulder length curve, continue the line, right down to the elbow, about there. What I'm gonna do there is just continue this line down to the wrist area and the hand. So just continue that line, curve it down here. The wrist is about this point, and then we're just going to curve it around right to an edge like that. Okay. Okay. Right. So just move the paper there. There we go. So next up, I'm just going to go and draw in the other side. So I'm going to come out this way. I'm going to draw the shoulder area there. Curve down this way here. Continue that line to about the wrist about here. And then what I might do is just draw that belly area in. So we get that and we can just draw the rest of these hands in. So on this side, I'm gonna come from about here, I'm gonna draw a little upper body line there. And over here, it's probably about this point, just draw there. Then what we're gonna do is just draw his bulging belly coming around this way. So I'm gonna scoot out around here and then taper that in to about there. And on this side, I'm gonna come out around this way down to about here. So curve it out and in about there. Right, now I've got those bits, what I can do is just draw a little thumb area here. So he's probably got a thumb sort of coming around this way here. Maybe just a hint of an underside of a finger there. And then we've got the underside of his arm here. So I can just draw an inner curve around like that just captures that arm. On this side, I've got this line in now so I can just draw the rest of his hand. The wrist comes down to about here, so I'm gonna just draw down like that. Then I'm gonna draw a little oblong for his thumb, so just come outwards and in like that. And then let's switch over to the wrist over here, and what I'm gonna do is just curve my pen round like that, just draw in a nice little finger there, and then just a hint, a couple of little oblongs just behind that, not a lot around there. Then we've got a little pudgy palm that just goes across there. Cool, okay. Right, next up we've got his underpants. So I'm gonna draw a nice curve across from about that thumb area there, and I'm gonna curve it around like that. Just gonna do another line just underneath, sort of pipe it. So just come outwards, just draw and match that line we've just done. Now I've got a little bit of a curve there and a little bit of a curve there. I'm gonna draw inwards to where his underpants meet. So I'm gonna come down like that, and then I'm gonna come across like that. Let's just draw the Y and the Y fronts there. So there's a little piped area coming up here. 1, 2 lines there. And then over here we've got the other line. So that really comes sort of from this point. So 1, just curve it a bit, 2 like that. There's a little hint of an extra line just in there. So I'm just gonna draw another little line of his pants in there just for a bit of detail. And then I'm freed up to draw his legs. So his legs just go straight down. So they taper in down at the ankles. So what I'm gonna do is come from this underpant part. It kind of does bulge out a bit where his leg comes out, and then it just comes downwards here. Nice line there. Dip it out at the end where he has a little bit of an ankle. Then from that middle point, we're just gonna bring it in, just curve that line in there. From this side, let's go from the inner part. We're gonna go down this way first. So just grab your pen, just pop it down there. Bit of an ankle again. And this side, again, we just sort of pop it out a little bit, curve it out ever so slightly, and then we'll just taper it down. Very steady taper, down like that. Okay, got those chunky legs in. Okay, now we got his feet. So he's got 4 toes and they're facing pretty straight on. So if I come in from that inner part, we sort of draw a little curve around for his foot, and then we're just gonna go 1 little oblong for his toe, 2, 3, 4, and then just curve out from that and bring it in. And on this side, his foot comes out a little bit more over this side, so we see a little bit of the heel there. Bring it in. We're just going to go to a nice oblong of a toe. 1, 2, 3, and 1 more curve. 4, and then we'll just curve that up to that foot area there. Okay, 3 more things. We've got to pop his nipples in and his belly button. So all we've got to do is 3 more dots, and then we've done it. So I've got 1 little dot there, 1 little dot here, and then the belly button a little bit bigger, but just a little dot right there. And that is Tighty Whities Homer, the Homer Simpson skin from Fortnite and the Simpsons season. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know who I can draw next, and I'll see you again soon on Art Draw. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.